So in today's video, we are going to be learning how to improve or increase the resolution quality of any YouTube video. Alright, so first of all, we are going to go to YouTube and choose a video to work with. So we are going to go to YouTube and choose a video to work with. Let's go to my videos so that I'll be explaining it from there for you guys. So we have this video here, how to download image from icon. Alright, so I'm posting it. Okay. So what you do first of all is you go to these settings here. These settings here. Once you go to settings, you click on quality. Then the quality shows you different options. You click on advanced. Now you have different qualities that you can increase to, either 144p or 360p or 720p. Sometimes it can be bigger, like 1024p. That's higher quality, so that it's more clearer when you increase the quality. So now I will just click on 720p and the quality increases.
Ever wondered how you can get resources online?
Now when I'm watching,
so you can use them for your design works,
so
or
that is
any other.
All you have to know about increasing the video quality or enhancing the video quality of YouTube videos. And this could be helpful for everyone or anyone. Sometimes when you're watching like trainings online and then the video or information being shown is very tiny, you can make it to be in a horizontal format and then increase the quality of that video so that you can be able to see it very well and learn a lot without anything stopping you from learning what you want to learn. So I hope this little video we just did now, it's helpful and could actually help you in some little things you want to do actually. So thank you very much for watching this short informative video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, and don't forget to come back to learn more from this channel. It has many informative things to learn. So thank you and bye for now.